wrench jigs. So another idea for the video. Let's catch a black rockfish and make, oh yeah, oh thank you. Some ceviche, black rockfish ceviche. First gotta catch a fish. Here we go.
Which one's better, black rockfish or a Deacon? Oh, there we go. There we go. There's my Deacon. Kind of biting on a faster retrieve today. And we got a Deacon. Big one. All right, Ceviche Town, here we come. What kind of knives do you use?
These are Dexter's. Little cut right behind the gill plate. Slide down the backbone, cut through the pins, go right over the ribs, scale it off just like that. It's been a few days since I've been down here. I'm a little bit rusty.
Thanks. Hey. All right, next, grocery store to pick up ceviche stuff. Make a little rockfish ceviche.
But I'm gonna give it a whirl.
All right, who are you?
I'm Kate. This is my first time making ceviche. So first, we're gonna cut the meat into small bite-sized pieces. So, like this. Lemon, lime. 4 to 5, we have 1 big one and 5 small ones. So, it kind of just depends on how much juice they're giving us here. All right, so now we're juicing the lemon after we did all the limes. And you wanna make sure that you're straining the lemon so you don't get seeds in. All right, so we just took the juice of the 6 limes and 1 lemon, and then we just put it in the fish. And we're just gonna let that sit in the juice because that's what's gonna do the magic while we cut up the rest of the vegetables. All right, ceviche ingredients needed. Tomato, onion, cilantro. Optional ingredients, jalapeno, cucumber. Salt, pepper, chips, tomatoes. How long do I keep it in the fridge for?
20 to 30 minutes.
20 to 30 minutes in the fridge with the lemon and lime juice on it so that it can do its thing. Next, cilantro. Cut that part off. I'm gonna keep the stems in. I don't mind the flavor of the stems. You just wanna chop it really fine so that the stems are chopped up, but you can totally eat the stems on cilantro. We're gonna keep the seeds in because Grant likes it hot. Just thinly diced. On the floor. Lastly, cucumber. And just small pieces. Just a small dice. It's time. We're gonna pull this out. It's starting to look good. You want this to be white, so obviously it's not ready yet, but we're gonna go ahead and throw all our veggies in so those can get marinating as well. So, to the fish, we are adding our cucumber, our tomato, our onion. Grant says he wants this whole jalapeno because he's crazy man, but I do love cilantro. And And then you just mix. All right, don't forget salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good stir, and then we're gonna throw it back in the refrigerator for another 10 to 15 minutes. Pulling it out. This is the final product here. Give it a good stir. All right, I guess I got first taste test, so I'm gonna take a chip and give it a shot. That's good. Good. All right, so that was our first ceviche. It was actually a lot easier than we thought to make, and it turned out great. So give it a shot. It's worth it for sure. All right, see you out there.
Forgot a crucial step.
Amateur mistake there.
Amateur mistake.
We got to get the lemons and the limes juiced over the fish so it can start curing it. Amateur mistake.